Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range now, we've got the Kimber Micro 9. Neat little subcompact gun, measures up well in size and weight with the Car PM9. Fully loaded, just under 20 ounces. It has a 3-inch barrel, anodized aluminum frame, single action trigger, 1911-like controls, but the trigger weight is right around 7 pounds. This is the two-tone model. They make many variations of the Micro 9, and the price reflects that as well. You know, this is MSRP right at $654, right around $550, $560 will get you the two-tone Micro 9. It is loaded now with a 6-round magazine. However, they do make 7-round magazines. Give that additional pinky rest that'll help out with the grip. Blacked out sights for this model. Others have night sights and 3-dot sights. But a good looking gun, no question about that. One of the main points of feedback that I've gotten with this gun is that it does not run a bunch of different types of ammo. Basically, it's ammo finicky. So I've got 5 different types out today. We're going to start out with MagTech target loads. That's what I have loaded here, but let's take a look at what else I'm going to run through this, and we'll just shoot those targets from about 13 yards away and see how it does. We're going to run a bunch of different types of ammo. Here's MagTech target, Remington nickel-plated target, iTech self-defense, 124 grain, Remington Golden Saber black belt, 124 grain, and PMC bronze to make sure every round can feed, fire, and eject through the Kimber Micro 9. All right, here we go. Micro 9, 7 rounds loaded up, thumb safety engaged on the left side of the gun. Let's start out with that white target. Right there, nice little pop. Right down below there. There we go. Here we've got Remington nickel-plated target loads, 115 grain. Let's see if I can hit that 7-inch hostage target from 13 yards. It's a tough shot. Got it. Ah, down below. All right, this gun, you get a little pop to it. Fully loaded under 20 ounces. I think it's 19 3/4, but you do feel a little pop to it, and you should. It's a subcompact gun. It's very light, but every shot is fired so far. This one has been reliable. Let's throw some self-defense loads in. We'll give it a try. Here are some self-defense loads. Bullet is an L-Tech. The case is Shell Shock Technologies. This stuff hits hard. And I've got that white target leaning, so let's try to knock it down and see what happens. Almost. Go. Ah, here we go. All right. I've had a couple requests of guys asking me to not shoot at the targets. They want to see the function of the gun without hearing that ding every time. So I'm going to meet that request right now by shooting into this berm. Here we have PMC bronze. Once again, 13 yards away. I put that white target back up. I will mention, I would like for these to have the 3-dot sights, because with the background being a little shaded, it takes an extra half second or so to get on target. If I had those dots there, it would be easier. Having said that, let's try to transition between those 3 targets a little quicker. All right, so I take back everything I just said. Here we go, 6 rounds, Remington Golden Saber black belt. I think earlier I said that the hostage target was a 7-inch target. It's actually a 5-inch target, so it is a tough shot. Let's try to slow down a little bit, see how well we do. I do. From 13 yards. Got it. Come on. Got it again. All right, so I had a problem there. I did shoot all 6 rounds. I didn't shoot too well though, but the slide stop pin came out a little bit and that locked the slide to the frame. So what I have to do is move this back a little bit and push it in. That happened on its own. This gun was reassembled properly after my tabletop review. So I don't know if that's a regular issue with this gun. This other side where the slide stop pin pushes through is pretty flush. Not sure why that happened, but let's try one more time to hit that hostage target. All right, Micro 9, run a MagTech this time. Got it. Got it. Nice. Well, outside of that one problem, I have to say the Micro 9 has been pretty accurate for a 3-inch barrel. It's definitely a light gun. You feel it pop a little bit, but not too bad getting back on target. If this was my gun, which it's not, I would put night sights on there and get the 3-dot night sights. I think that would help out a bit. But it's a beautiful gun. It really is. And many of the guys said that it is ammo finicky. I have not seen that or experienced that today. I ran 5 different kinds of ammo through it, and each one fed, fired, ejected just fine. Did have the problem with the slide stop pin coming out a little bit, and it locked up the slide on the frame. Just realigning it and pushing it back through seemed to solve the problem. Overall though, not bad at all. I think the Micro 9 felt good, shot well, and I enjoyed it. I have to say, I enjoyed it. Definitely a good looking gun, and it shot well. Just about everything you want. A bit pricey, no question about it, but for all those who are carrying it, they're making a pretty solid choice in my experiences. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.